Hi, I'm Mike Pilger, Product Manager for Wyco, a division of Badger Meter. Wyco is a concrete vibration equipment manufacturer. Wyco has been around for 80 years, making premier products for concrete consolidation or concrete vibration. New products we have today are our SureSpeed 2.0 and our 995 electric motor vibrators. This is the next generation of electric motor vibrators from Wyco. The new machines are more rugged and durable than ever. In addition to that, they have connectors that are now on the outside of the casing and can be swapped out in the field. The airflow through the motor and through the unit is 20 degrees or more cooler than previous models, meaning they can run more efficient and longer than ever before. The SureSpeed features are controlled speed vibration. Inside the SureSpeed is a sensor and a computer chip that measures the force of vibration. It controls the speed automatically for you. So one other thing I'd like to mention about Wyco is they feature the square head technology. Wyco has used it on concrete vibrators since their existence. Wyco offers a full line of vibration products from hydraulic paving vibrators for paving machines, screeds for flat work, gas-powered backpacks, gas-powered handheld, and of course our electric motors. If you'd like to find out more about Wyco, go to wycotool.com.